Hi, this is PorX Performance Gear. We have a new product. It's called Humpter Basic MK3. This product made in Poland. Very nice, very neat item. It literally takes you 10 seconds to put it together or you break it down. I'm gonna show it to you how to break it down and I will put it back together as well for you. Hold the... That's literally two knobs. Go unplug it, take it up. Now check it out. The bar goes right in the front. That's it. And it comes with a headphone holder on the side and also the cup holder. We do have a laptop that's gonna go on the side. We have few other accessories. Everything goes in a very nice heavy duty carrying bag. And Humpter Basic MK3 made in Poland. It's a beautiful piece, very well made, very high-end quality. Check it out. If you have any question, please check at PorXdirect.com. Thank you.